All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin, giving you guys an update on the Bitcoin price. And you know, Bitcoin is very important to follow if you're following crypto because generally it's going to kind of lead you the way for you and kind of give you an idea of the crypto atmosphere and environment if crypto is going to be going down or up. Now, not every altcoin or every other coin is affected by the Bitcoin chart, but in general, since you know this is what people use, right? So in my last video I gave you guys the major support levels, and if you look, we're bouncing perfectly at right at the support level I gave you guys last time. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit more, and you can see there it's finding support very clearly at 41,505. Okay, so that's the key support level I have right there. For us to go up any higher, our main resistance we're going to be facing is going to be right at 43,808. Okay, so those are the two main levels to pay attention to right now. If we can stay above 41,505, you know, I think that we could basically just trade a little bit sideways and do something kind of like this. All right, until we have um, a break to the upside or a break to the downside, right? We're just waiting to see which way it's going to go, if it goes this way or if it goes this way. So that's basically what I'm looking for. Now, one thing that I do want people to be cautious of is basically going to be this right here. It's going to be a head and shoulders pattern. Now, if you don't really know what a head and shoulders is, I have a video in the top right hand corner of this video, and it's basically like a really short video just explaining what a head and shoulders is, how to trade it, things like that, right? So if you look here, we're kind of forming one, guys. Okay, so if we come over here and you know, we bounce. Oh, what is going on here? There we go. All right, so not the prettiest. Let's draw this over a little bit like this. There we go. All right, so we got our left shoulder, we got a head, and you know, if we do bounce, let's say right here, and come up and get rejected in this area between, you know, 47 and 52 and 51,000, right? If we get rejected up there and come back down, then that's going to play out a nice head and shoulders and could take Bitcoin all the way back down to 30,000. Now, you know, that's going to be a pretty dramatic event. So I think that people need to, you know, really pay attention right now to the price levels on Bitcoin that I gave you guys. And, you know, if we break our support at 41,505, our next real key major support level is going to be at 37,268. So that's what I'll be watching for. Me personally, I kind of want crypto and Bitcoin to go down lower. It'd be nice to see it at, you know, 30,000 to get some more. But, you know, you can't really predict the future and what Bitcoin's going to do. All you can really do is chart up the main support and resistance levels. And if you guys made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you need a tutorial on how to do support and resistance and things like that, then go ahead and watch this video right here to the right. And it will really help you guys out and, you know, give you an edge, which is what you need to be a successful trader.